Hi everybody, it's Tim at enginefactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevy Stroker 450 horsepower turnkey engine for our customer's 1968 C10 truck. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. You got the late model block 4-bolt main, 1-piece rear main seal, the brass freeze plugs in there, brand new balancer, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, aluminum cylinder heads are on there, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted set, these Taylor ignition wires made in USA, all the wire markers are on there, proper oil pan for the C10 truck, this real nice 383 stroker valve covers, black intake manifold, thermostat housing with the extra coolant ports if needed for any sensors, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring and bracket, MSD ignition coil, 383 stroker script air cleaner, distributor set in place. Real important, the small cap distributor for the firewall clearance for the C10 truck right there. Proper flex plate and balance and tooth count for the customer's transmission. High torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube, high flow fuel pump, all the heavy duty Russell fuel lines, gas filter and fittings installed. This real nice black serpentine wraptor pulley kit, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner installed, high flow aluminum water pump, 160 amp alternator, 1-wire hookup. This application will be running the remote power steering reservoir with it. Has the GM Type 2 power steering pump on there. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. It'll be completely dialed in, ready to go, timing set, carburetor adjusted. You'll see the manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature, ready to go. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.